Hi everyone, today I'm going to be tinting the taillights in my F80 BMW M3. Don't jump to any conclusion just yet. I'm going to be using a very light and shiny tint so it looks as OEM as possible. I just want to give the taillight just a bit more pop. This is what we're going to be using today. This light and shiny tint film. This one is made by Vivid. I will actually link everything in the description. This squeegee to squeeze out any bubbles. My trusted blow dryer. The taillights are fairly clean, but first thing we want to do is remove any oils. And as I'm saying it, I realized that my taillights have been ceramic coated. So the chances are this video might fail. And then we just finish them with microfiber towels. Next is we're gonna open up the film. You get a lot of it actually. So let's see. How long do we have? We need about this long. And this is how we're going to attempt to do this. We have flat areas here and here. So we're going to stick it onto the flat areas first and then use the squeegee to flatten it out, and then use the blow dryer or heat gun if you have it to curve it around the edges. I hope you can see it. I'm rubbing it on the flat surfaces. So we got this flat surface here. So we just squeegeed out all the flat areas. Now with the squeegee and my blow dryer, let's put it on hot and high. Might have to trim it just a bit over here. Alright, and now we cut it along the edge. Don't be afraid, you're not going to damage the paint because the knife goes all the way in. Stick it in as much as we can. This does not look too bad at all, actually. But now I know that for the next, for the other side, I'm gonna do them separately. So now I know what I'm looking at. So I will actually trim the excess. Now it would be very helpful if there was another person helping me, because I think it's kind of a two-person job. What I can do is I can heat it up and then stretch it myself. So what do we say? Do we like it or not? Jesus, I'm in a pickle. Tint or no tint? I think I'm gonna have to text my buddy Lucas to see what he thinks. All right, I just spoke to my buddy Lucas and he said, let's do it. So I'm gonna redo this side. The middle one is fine, but I'm gonna redo the outside because I screwed up, and then I'm gonna tackle this one. And we're done. I don't want to say this is nice and easy because this wasn't nice and easy. I was actually lucky enough that my father-in-law was around and he came in and helped me out. He actually gave me a good idea.
At least match over here this rim.
Okay.
When you match this rim, probably you can go bottom. Later you will try to get upper side.
Yeah, what we did was we started from the edge over here and we sort of did the outside first and then we worked our way in. That allowed us to kind of stretch it as much as we can and go around the curves. So when you're doing it, do it my father-in-law's way, which is starting from the outside and going in. The center pieces I was able to do myself. This was pretty straightforward. One of the benefits of these things is these tints really accentuate the actual lights, the LEDs that are behind the plastic here. Check this out. Look how cool this looks. And now let me put the brakes on. So I'm gonna go take my car outside, take some photos for you people, but let me know what you think in the comments below. I know I'm gonna get a lot of heat for this. This is not for everyone. And also keep in mind that this is not permanent. I can at any time remove it and be done with it. So again, give me thumbs up if you like it, subscribe if you haven't. Let me know what you think down below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.